What's up, buds? Good morning. It's Friday, June 5th, 2026. It's 10 o'clock actually, huh? 10 o'clock a.m. Alright, so here's the situation. Today is technically our last day, and we do have some stuff planned out. The problem is these monitors, we have to return them today. And we have to go to like the main headquarters for Thermaltake and to drop them off. Thanks for the suggestions, and someone mentioned about getting a courier service, going to the front desk. But the thing is that well, one, we want to make sure that it gets there, so that mental peace of mind that we physically drop them off and we know they're there. Yeah, well, we both want that. Also, like where the headquarters where Thermaltake is at is there was like a mall that we walked by, so we want to do some like souvenir shopping. So yeah, so we're gonna go drop off these monitors and we're gonna walk around that shopping center, right? So I do want to film that. But the thing is, obviously, since I don't have those monitors, I won't be able to edit that until I get home, right? So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm posting this video to let you know that that's happening. There's gonna be one more video after this, right? That's gonna be the final one, but I'm not gonna edit it until I get home. I do have an announcement, something I want to like say before I completely end this series, the Computex vlogs, right? So that can be tomorrow after I post this video, right? The next day. So it'll be this video. Is this video like the first half of like the final, travel vlogs, and then there'll be another one after this, right? The final one, right? Since I'm editing at the moment, Paul just went out to like film. He's coming back in a bit, so there's really not much besides working. We're gonna start packing and all the good stuff. So just for this first half of the end of my vlog series, I just want to like take a moment and truly say, again, I appreciate the comments, the advice, the suggestions. But it is very helpful, extremely helpful when people that have been here or that live here or they're familiar with the area, that you guys leave suggestions. You guys you leave feedback. You have no idea how much that means to me. It does help a lot, because as is, when you're not in an environment that you're not familiar with, so it's kind of like almost like you're uneasy of what to do. But that little info, that little like information of like, oh, just do this, it can make a massive difference for me to like take the next step to do what I do, right? So something like me taking the high speed train to the aquarium. Obviously, me socializing, making these videos, just getting familiar with the environment, a little advice here and there, like that does help me to do those types of things, right? Because it can be a little intimidating, because I don't know the environment, I don't speak the language, but I am able to manage, and I got Google Translate and all this stuff, and I use Google Maps or whatever. So yeah, I definitely use technology to my advantage in that sense, right? It's kind of funny to think about, when you're a kid, you grow up watching a lot of like cyborg movies, people fucking camera lenses, eyes, and batteries and stuck to their backs. But technically, we're cyborgs now in a way. Shit, I'm walking around carrying a fan, and here's a camera and mics and all this other technical shit, and I'm able to communicate with you, people on the internet, and we're able to have a conversation. So it's really cool. It's yeah. I'm not monetized, I don't make any money off this shit, whatsoever, and I'm okay with that. Part of the reason why I make the videos the way I do, I'm just like basically enjoying my time here, and I'm filming that and I'm sharing that. That's really all I'm doing. There's no other like motive besides like sharing the good times I have here. So for those people that watch my videos and you see how much fun I'm having in Taiwan, and you leave the comment and be like, oh, I'm actually gonna visit and I'm gonna go, or your videos have helped me to plan out your trip here or whatever, I'm very happy to hear that. Seriously, I'm very happy that read those comments, because yeah, if you come here, you're gonna have a blast, 100%. It's a great place, and not to end on a sad note, but to end on a real talk, moment. The vibe is not too positive in the sense of like, I have spoken with other YouTubers that have mentioned that they possibly are not going to come back next year. The coverage that they do, unfortunately, because people are not interested in tech currently, in the sense of like, seeing what else is going to come out. People are not upgrading their PCs, or they're not interested in buying components because it's so expensive. They have mentioned that they're possibly not going to come back next year and stuff like that. I actually did talk to Paul about that, if he's thinking the same way. he mentioned that like he does intend to come back next year, but he's gonna do something different, like to make sure like to make it worth our while. So very high chance that we're still gonna come back next year. Yeah, but we're gonna do something different in the sense of like how we're gonna make content and stuff like that, because obviously everything changed. That's unfortunate, but just how it is at the moment. Paul just showed up and he interrupted my float.
Sorry.
But yeah, seriously, I do appreciate the comments and the suggestions and all the positive vibes that you guys leave in my videos.
I do too.
Pod does too. Do
You guys are rad.
There's gonna be one more video after this. Basically, but I have to edit when I get home, and it's just basically gonna be me, Paul, returning these monitors and whatever else we do today, having fun. But that'll be tomorrow. But so yeah, now I'm gonna edit whatever the hell Paul just filmed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.